Hi guys, welcome to 27 tutorial on XHTML, and in this we're going to have a quick look at margins. Okay, so I cleared out everything the last time. I kept the paragraph and I kept the heading tree. So I put in P first of all for the paragraph, and then background show color dash red margin 2 pixels. Now I've already ran this one, and here you go, and this is what you will get here. If we go back in here and we go down and we go H3 and we go, let's see, background stroke color. Well, we go with yellow because that should show up well against the red, and we go with a margin of 5 pixels. Okay, and then we close that off, close that here, we save that, we go back in to our file, and then we refresh this one, and there you go. And that gives you a bigger margin too. You see, this header, like that. Now, if we had a look at some padding in this one, we go here and go padding, and spell it right first to get an idea. We go padding stroke bottom, and we will give it a 50 pixels just to see it, right? Just so we can see it. I don't like doing small padding, because then it just won't show up here properly here. There you go. So there's the bottom on that one. Okay, we can also go and do the same thing on this one here on our header, and we can go say padding stroke. Let's go for the left, and we'll go with say 30 pixels. Okay, so to save that, just have a look at this heading tree now to the left and see what we get. It should be moved over for you nice. Yes, there you go. There's your 30 pixels. Okay. We can actually change this and go padding stroke. Well, yeah, we can go padding stroke. We go top, and we go 30 pixels here at the top. Okay, and just to show you what the top padding will look like, and refresh this. There you go. You have your padding here. Okay, so that's basically covering everything got to do with margins and paddings for you anyway, and headers and things like that. So again, we kept our two headings. We had our heading and we had a paragraph. We put in our P, we put in our margin 2 pixels, our padding bottom 50 pixels, H3 background color yellow, margin 5 pixels, padding top was 30. You can also padding left, right, or bottom. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this, guys, and I'll see you on number 28. Take care. Bye bye.